Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Risalah Ar-Rahman, 7 October 2025. In the name of Allah, the more gracious, the more merciful. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, "Truly, I Allah command you, so that my servants might be certain. I Allah am the one who gives you this command, so that they may be called until my message spreads and fills the earth. Behold, my punishment is spread everywhere, and calamities are everywhere. I Allah command you to be grateful again in Makkah, and to call again my servants with your testimony beside my Kaabah."